Hey, welcome to Fake Check. You've probably seen all these make hundreds or thousands US dollars per day with AI videos, promising easy money with AI-generated ebooks, music, and videos. Sounds amazing, right? But is it real or just hype? Let's find out. So here's the promise. Use AI to create content automatically, upload, and boom, passive income. AI-generated YouTube videos, AI-written ebooks, AI music. Everything sounds effortless. But here's the reality. Most AI-generated videos look pretty bad. AI tools like Pictory, Runway ML are fun for quick clips. But are they good enough for a real YouTube channel? Let's be honest. Most look robotic, generic, or just plain weird. So how can you actually use AI without falling for the hype? Simple. 1. Use AI for ideas, not full content. 2. Mix AI with human editing like I'm doing right now. 3. Pick low competition niches, not just AI-flooded topic. Finally, don't expect instant money. Good content takes time. I tested Runway ML in video and Pictory, and guess what? The quality is way below expectations. Maybe AI will improve, but right now it's not good enough for a high-quality YouTube channel, unless you're okay with super basic videos. Now, some people are making money with AI, but not by pressing a button. They mix AI with real effort. Musicians tweak AI beats, writers rewrite AI drafts, video creators add human edits. The secret? AI is just a tool, not a replacement for creativity. Good content takes time, so AI money, not a scam, but not a gold mine either. If you liked this breakdown, hit subscribe for more Fake Check videos. Until next time.